Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and today we'll be talking about Instagram. So to start with, what is Instagram? Instagram is a social media site that allows you to share photos with your friends and family members. You can follow celebrities and general interests that you may have. You can post photos or videos. You can look at other people's photos that you're following, and then you can allow them to look at your photos as well. It allows you to modify your photos with fun filters and post them to your feed. Signing up. Download the Instagram app from the App Store for an iPhone or an iPad, or from the Google Play Store for an Android phone or an Android tablet. On Android, click Sign up with email or phone number. On an iPhone, select Create New Account. Enter your email address and phone number and then click Next. Alternatively, you can also sign up with your Facebook account on the app. Once you've filled out your username and password, you'll be instructed to fill out your profile info and then tap Done. If you register with Facebook, you'll need to log into your Facebook account if you're currently logged out. Notifications. The first thing you will want to do is adjust your notifications so you receive only the information that you want to. You can adjust your notifications to off from people I follow or from everyone. So this is where you'd want to do this because Instagram will send you notifications for everything unless you shut some things off. So you might be getting a ton of text messages or emails from them. So this is a way to be able to just get what you want from them. Notifications continued. Go to the little person in the bottom right corner. Go up to the hamburger menu, which is the 3 lines. Click the gear that says Settings. Click Notifications with the bell next to it. Go through and click each one to see what notifications you'd like to get to your device. So in this video, I'm just going to walk through how to do this. So you're going to go into the little man, go to the Settings button with the gear, and then you're going down to Notifications with the bell next to it. And then you can choose to pause all if you'd like, which means you can pause everything for a period of time. So 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours. And this will shut itself off automatically. And then you can just go through and you can choose what you want to do. So if you want no notifications from anything, you can click off on everything, but you have to go into each one. Notifications continued. You have to adjust your notification settings for each of the following settings. So pause all, which I just showed you. Post stories and comments, so you'll see that there'll be little subsections under these sections. Direct messages. Live and IGTV. From Instagram. And email and SMS. And SMS means text messages. Linked accounts. You can link your Instagram to other accounts you may have, such as Facebook and Twitter. This will allow you to take a filtered picture from Instagram or a video and post it to Facebook as well as posting it to Instagram. Posting to an Instagram feed. Click the plus sign in the bottom at the center. Pick a picture from your camera roll or take a picture or video right at that moment in time. Once you choose a photo, you can pinch your fingers in and out to zoom in and out. Tap the little arrows to zoom out to see what it looks like. Once you are done, tap Next. You can then choose a filter. Hit Next and caption your photo, and you can add hashtags like #adulting or emojis and actual text with punctuation. So you could say like, I had a wonderful time in Wasaga Beach this weekend, and then you could do #Wasaga Beach. After this, you can then choose to tag people, so people you are following, so like your friends, and you can add a location for where you posted the picture from. You can also post to other social media accounts that you have links, such as Facebook. And in this video, so you're going to press the plus sign, and you can choose a video or photo, or you can get it from your library. In this case, I'm getting it from my library. So this is a picture that I've taken earlier. I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to go through and select a filter. That looks like a good filter. So now we're going to hit next. And where it says write a caption is where you can write your caption. So for this one, I'm going to do hashtag working from home. And then as you can see, it's coming up and showing you how many other people have posted that hashtag. So working from home has 1.4 million posts. So 1.4 million people have used that hashtag working from home. Then you can choose to tag people, add a location. If you want to add it to Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr, you can just hit the little button and it'll go over and turn green. And there's the picture. Carousel post. Click the middle button plus sign. You can then choose up to 10 photos or videos to use in a single post, and the person seeing it can swipe from the right to left to see all of the pictures or videos. You can also choose to take a picture at that time as well by clicking a photo and hitting a circle to take the button. So if you want to take a video, you would choose the video button and then you would hold it down. So when you hold it down, you'll see it actually will kind of go around like a clock. And then you can do that for up to 60 seconds for a video. And then you can actually record part of a video. So you can start recording it and then you take your finger off as long as it's less than 60 seconds. And then you can move to somewhere else and you can start recording again. It's a great thing that Instagram has now. And you can hit next and you can choose the filters for your photos. And then hit next again, and you're going to add your captions to your photos, such as the hashtags I talked about earlier. You can do emojis, little smiley faces, or you can have actual text with punctuation as well. And you're going to click that middle button. So I've taken these pictures previously, so I'm just going to put them into a carousel post. So you can share up to 10 photos. So you're going to hit the little stack that you see there in the corner. And then once you choose it, you're going to go to next. And then now you can choose to apply a filter to just one photo, or you can apply filters to all the photos. It's up to you. So for this, just to make it easy, I'm just choosing one filter, to apply to all of the photos. Sometimes it's hard to find a good filter. Black and white looks good, always classic. Hit next. So now you're going to type in your caption. So for this caption, I'm going to put in Wired Wednesdays Carousel. So as you can see, nobody else has come up with this hashtag before, so that means you've created a hashtag yourself. Then you can tag your people, add a location, post it to the other places. And there it is. So now you can swipe through the post and you can see all of the pictures or videos. And then once you get to the one end, you can swipe back and you can go back to the front of the pictures as well. So I know what you're thinking. What the heck is a hashtag? A hashtag is a series of words that are put together with a number sign in front of it. For an example, hashtag dogs of Instagram. You can pick a hashtag and see how many others have used the same hashtag as you. So for example, earlier we did the hashtag working from home and that had 1.4 million people use it. So the other thing is you can actually go into your search button and you can type in a hashtag, for example, hashtag dogs of Instagram, and you can see other people who have actually added to that hashtag as well. Stories. This feature allows you to post videos or images that disappear after 24 hours. People typically use this to post a more candid video and offering a glimpse into their everyday lives. For an example, you may post an edited picture to your Instagram, but on the stories part, you post a video of you singing at a karaoke bar, something that gets deleted that you may not want to be up forever. Uploading an image or video to your stories. Under the Home button, click the camera icon on the top left. you'll see a little, it looks like a picture of you or whatever you have as your display picture, and then you're going to hit it because it says My Story there. Once you're within the Stories feature, you can take a picture or a video from right within the app. You can also use a photo you have taken previously by clicking on the picture in the bottom left corner. You can add filters and fun faces to this as well by swiping through them at the bottom. The possibilities are endless. So what you can do is you can actually have a selfie and you can actually hit your face with your finger and it'll recognize your face. And then you can actually put little pictures over top of your face. You can have makeup, you can look like an alien. There's all kinds of things you can do with it. When you are done, you can choose to post it to your story or on your feed. So there's your story. So this is me. I'm going to actually take a picture of my dog. And there he is. I'm going to take the picture. And then you can see at the bottom where it says Your Story. You can just hit that button there and it will post it for you. And there it is. So that will last for 24 hours and then it will disappear. Filters. Instagram has many filters that can be applied to a picture you have just taken or a picture that you have uploaded. Choose a filter that you'd like, and if you double tap on the filter of your choice, it'll bring up options to adjust how much of a filter you would like, or to apply brightness, contrast, etc. So what you can do is you can just tap on the picture and you can actually drag the little button across. You can have either a lot of the filter or a little bit of the filter. It's up to you. Following users. Click on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. Type in a person or a brand that you're looking for. Hit search. Once you find the person you're looking for, hit follow. Celebrities don't require for you to wait for them to accept the follow request, but actual people have to accept a request and may ask to follow you back. So I've hit the search button. I'm going to type in Rod Stewart. And you can tell if they're a real celebrity. They've been authenticated by Instagram by the little blue check mark that's there. And there he is. So you can go down and take a look. And then you're just going to hit the follow button. So he will actually show up in the feed now. So anytime you post something, it'll pop up in your feed so you can see. And it also gives you suggestions of other people that you might, other celebrities that you might want to add as well. And that's Instagram for beginners. Don't hesitate to contact me at librarytech@thebluemountains.ca. Have a great day.